Merhaba arkadaşlar. Gizma'nın şimdi Data Science, AI ve Digital Business bölümünde okuyan öğrencileriyle beraber güzel bir video çekeceğim. Öncelikle kendilerini tanıtacaklar. İngilizce olarak zaten altyazıda görebilirsiniz. Daha sonrasında da programı anlatacaklar. Buradaki deneyimlerini anlatacaklar. Onlar hem okurken iş buldular hem de yakında mezun oluyorlar. Harika deneyimlerini anlatacaklar bizlere. Okay, can you please let us know? Can you please introduce?
Hello everyone, I'm Ishrat Sheikh from Mumbai, India. I'm Sadia Sheikh from Mumbai, India. We are sisters. We are living in Germany. It's almost 3 years now. We moved to Germany in 2021 during COVID, and yeah, it was kind of a time where everything was stopped and things were not working well. So because of we decided to move to Germany because of its okay because the way the education here is done, it's really impressive. And we recently did our high school in 2021. At that time, I'm talking about, and we decided to do. We wanted to continue our education here in Germany. We both wanted to do BSc in computer science or computer engineering, but unfortunately, at that time, there was not so exposure. There were not many universities who were having computers as a course in their universities. So we were actually started searching about it for weeks. We searched for a good university, and finally we found Gizma. I don't know what it makes me attracted towards it. I started researching more about it, and there I was introduced with BSc in Data Science, AI, and Digital Business course. This course was amazing. Then I told her that I have found a course something like this, and she was also really interested to know because this was a unique combination of course which you will not find in any other university. I'm sure because I've searched a lot. And right now we are in a third year. Next month, in December, we are going to be graduates finally. And yeah, I'm moving to Germany. In the beginning, it was difficult for us. The visa process was kind of delayed because of COVID. So it took 3 months for us. Now usually it takes 15 days. A lot of my friends has come to Germany, and for them it was really super easy. And when we came here, we were kind of first Indians in a university. So we were actually not expecting that a lot of people will be really open with us. But surprisingly, people were really open. It was the first time we were in an international environment around a lot of people who come from really different background and really different countries with different cultures and different things in mind. So, involving with them, we thought it would be difficult, but it was not so difficult. They were really cool. Everyone is just really cool.
Evet. Kere bas Karzo. Kafa tekrar orada sağ üstte M düğmesi olacak. Cool. Higa bas. Basılı
कितने लेक्चर्स होते हैं जो मैं बोल रही हूँ ना सब कि एक क्वार्टर में 3 मॉड्यूल होते हैं इसमें लिखने इतने घंटे क्या बहुत शौक हो सब प्रोफेसर बहुत अच्छे मैं थक गई हूँ
It's like very complex tricky. That's why everyone
sistem.
एक्चुअली सब अपने साथ ही आते
This is the problem.
Wait,
We get it. Okay. It's okay. I will do everything like cutting, adjusting the video. You will be really good shape. I will make some your things linky to video effects.
Okay, so now when we were
Working, yeah.
talking about the courses, the lectures at Gizma, we only have so in a quarter you will only be having 3 modules where each module have a lecture per week. So basically three modules every week, and that too also for 2.5 hours, which is really amazing because we coming from Mumbai, studying there for yes maybe so many years now. We have born and brought up there. We have done our studies there. So we have seen a lot of my friends are still doing the engineering in India. So for them, they have to go to university every day. And that too, the lectures are from morning 9 till evening 6. But here it's totally different. We have the option to do our classes online as well. And if you are also not able to do it online, you can also watch the recordings after that. It's really nice and flexible here.
Yeah, that's great. Like you can study online as well. The times that maybe some professors maybe just prefer to do that, and Can I ask you about your experiences to find a job here? This is the important part. So,
For me, it was really difficult. I started my job search for like after 1 year of my studies. From the second year, I've started searching for a job, but it was really difficult. My sister found it 9 months ago, and after 5 months ago, 5 months ago, I found the job in the same company, but in the different department. But I would suggest for the students who are planning to come to Germany in Gizma, they should bring more patience with you if you are planning to stay here and if you are planning to work here in Germany.
this is great. This is great. Can you also tell about your experiences of it?
For me, it was also quite difficult. In the initial year, I was not actually searching for a job. I was actually trying to get settled more in the new environment, among new people. And then from the second year, I started to look for a job. Um, yeah, you can get jobs not which are not related to your field. It is easier to get, but I was actually looking for something which is in my field. So that was my goal. Um, and yeah, it took me 1 year to found my dream job. I'm working as a data scientist now in a startup company in Potsdam. And yeah, German. A lot of people say German is a barrier. I would say yes, it is, but you need to, but not in a lot of companies. There are companies who are not looking for language, but also looking for the skills which what you have learned in your academic journey. And this company where we are working now has given us the opportunity to showcase what we have learned, and they were not just focused on which languages we speak. And yeah, in the interview process, it was also done in English. No one has asked me about do you speak German or something. So yeah, but yeah, they do want you to speak German because of course, if you're coming to a different country, each country has their own specialty, their own cultures. So in my opinion, don't take it in a negative way. Learning languages is a really cool thing. I think this would also something which you will also expect if someone comes to your country. Yes.
Great, great. Thank you both. Great. Thank you both for your experiences. I think you will have a great life here after your graduation.
Thank you.
This is the great country, and also I am living here. I'm doing consultancy.
Wow.
I have graduated here. Also, I have done my master degree here. Right now, I'm doing consultancy for semiconductor industry, as well as I have a firm in Turkey to bring the students here. We are also supporting them to come here, just only to come here, not just only to come here, but also after coming here, we are supporting them. That's the life is start after coming here. Yeah, it's just how to find a job, how to adapt here, and which strategies to follow to find a job. Because it's the part because. The way that you are looking for a job in other countries, such as United States or the England, or the British Kingdom, then particularly is different than Germany. So Germany, that you need to be really, really careful when you are looking for the job and the way that you are just expressing yourself. Yeah. So that's why like we are supporting our students also for the strategies to look a job. And luckily that most of our students already found a job here and working. And as you can see in the right part, and they're just eating and they're enjoying their coffees. They found a job. They're working here. We have psychologists. We have the data scientists as well. And yeah, great opportunities. Thank you for your informations and experiences that explain for us and give the impressions to us. So thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
See you.